My name is Ree James Roan, and I'm from Charleston, South Carolina. My pain began when I was probably a teenager. I grew very fast, and I had been dealing with back problems most of my life. But I was able to take care of them pretty well by exercise and, keeping fit. When I got to be in my 50s, however, the nerve pain started, the sciatic pain, and it rendered me pretty helpless. It was so bad that I couldn't sit in a chair, I couldn't ride in a car, I couldn't sit through a movie, I couldn't sit through church. The pain affected me in so many ways because I was such an active person, and I was so accustomed to jumping in the boat, jumping in the creek, swimming and skiing, and when I finally couldn't do it anymore, I really began to get depressed. It was difficult for my family because they were used to having me very active. And not only was I not active, but I was also pretty depressed. So it pretty much affected everybody in my family. My pain specialist suggested that I try a neurostimulator for the pain levels that I was going through to see if it would do any good. And I really knew very little about them, so I told him, of course, I would try anything. I started out with the stimulator on tonic stimulation, and I was very excited about it when they turned it on and I could feel it. They were able to move it around to different areas on my legs and down to my feet even. And it was so crazy because it was going right to the places that hurt so badly. And it just was so comforting. I told them that if I sat there very long, I was going to go to sleep because you just sort of let go of the pain and relax. I received the BurstDR stimulation, and at first I was a little sad about it because I couldn't feel it. And I'd gotten used to being able to adjust the stimulation levels on the tonic stimulator. But it didn't take long before I absolutely forgot that it was there. I just found myself doing things that I was not able to do before. All of a sudden I noticed that I wasn't feeling all of that pain going down my legs. And sitting in a chair watching the television, I couldn't do that before. It was crazy, and I didn't even know that it was there. I'm absolutely sure that BurstDR has given me my life back. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it because now I can do all of the things that I was doing before. I don't feel like a cripple anymore, and I don't feel like I'm handicapped anymore. When I think about other people and what they have to go through for health issues, sometimes I think this is just too good to be true, that it's this easy and it works this well. I don't know really how to describe BurstDR stimulation to a patient because you don't feel it. Once it's in and you're used to it and you're used to how it operates and all of that kind of thing, then you forget it. That's the beauty of it. You just forget it.
These are actual patient stories. The stories are the experience of these individuals only. Although these patients did not experience complications, there can be risks and potential complications associated with the use of medical devices. If you are interested in learning more, please consult your physician.